Hi, it's Amy with Mama Bear Blue. Today we're going to be using Saltwash on a vintage mirror.
Saltwash is a paint additive made from real sea salt. It can be added to any type of paint. It can be used to create a weathered wood effect, weathered wrought iron, aged copper, rust, as well as seaglass effects. Today, I'll be using Saltwash to create a weathered wood effect on a vintage mirror. I'm using DIY Paint's weathered wood color to mix with the Saltwash. I mix the paint and Saltwash together at about a 1-to-1 ratio. The consistency is correct when it becomes like icing or cake frosting. Use your brush to apply the Saltwash in a stippling, pouncing motion. Make sure to lightly pull up on the peaks of the Saltwash as you apply it over the surface. After the Saltwash has dried just a bit and is still tacky, take a brush and carefully knock down the peaks. After the Saltwash layer has dried on the mirror, it's time to apply the paint layer. I'm using the DIY paint color Vintage Linen. As the paint layer was drying, I took some time to clean up the mirror. Throughout this project, I wasn't too worried about getting the Saltwash or paint on the mirror. You can take the time to tape it off, but I usually don't. I use a little bit of glass cleaner and a razor blade to scrape back the paint. Of course, be careful, don't cut yourself, and be sure not to scratch your mirror. Allow the paint to dry thoroughly. Next, I use a 100 grit to 220 grit sandpaper or sanding sponge to sand back some of the paint, revealing the weathered wood Saltwash layer underneath. This is the step where the magic happens and you get that beautiful, chippy, weathered look. I used a blow dryer to blow off the sanding dust, and then it was time to seal it. I used DIY Paint's liquid patina. And just so you know, I know it looks like the brush is red, but it's just stained from a prior project. I promise it was clean. I let the patina dry, and then one last cleanup with some glass cleaner, and the project was complete. Saltwash is very easy to use and can give your projects some beautiful effects. Here are a few other Saltwash projects we recently completed. My mom and I finished these projects during our weekly Facebook Live called Mondays with Mom at 1 p.m. Eastern on my Facebook page. If you'd like to join us, you can like and follow the Mama Bear Blue Facebook page. The link is shown in the description box below. If you'd like to purchase any of the products shown in today's video, visit your local stockist or my website, mamabearblue.com. Thanks for watching.